Adobe Premiere Pro is a powerful video editing software that offers a wide range of features to create professional-grade videos. One of the key features of Premiere Pro is the ability to use masks to create smooth and seamless transitions between clips. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of creating a masking transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. Step 1. Import your clips. The first step is to import the two clips that you want to use for the transition. Drag them onto the timeline, and make sure that they are adjacent to each other. Step 2. Add the mask. Next, go to the Effects panel and search for the Opacity effect. Drag it onto the first clip, and then go to the Effect Controls panel. In the Opacity section, click on the Create Ellipse Mask icon to add a circular mask to the clip. Step 3. Adjust the mask. Now, you can adjust the size and position of the mask to your liking. To do this, use the handles on the mask to resize and move it around. You can also use the feather slider to adjust the softness of the edges of the mask. Step 4. Add the keyframes to create a smooth transition. You will need to add keyframes to the mask. Go to the beginning of the clip and set the opacity to 100%. Then, go to the end of the clip and set the opacity to 0%. Premiere Pro will automatically create a keyframe at each of these points. Step 5. Adjust the timing. To adjust the timing of the transition, you can move the keyframes closer together or farther apart. You can also use the Ease In and Ease Out options to create a more gradual transition. Step 6. Apply the transition to the second clip. Now, you can apply the same effect to the second clip. Drag the opacity effect onto the second clip, and then go to the Effect Controls panel. Click on the Inverted checkbox to flip the mask, and then adjust the keyframes as necessary. Step 7. Preview the transition. To preview the transition, you can use the playback controls in the program monitor. Play the sequence and watch the transition between the two clips. If you need to make any adjustments, you can go back and edit the keyframes or mask as needed. In conclusion, masking transitions are a great way to add interest and creativity to your video projects. With Adobe Premiere Pro, creating a masking transition is simple and straightforward, and with a little practice, you can create stunning effects that will impress your viewer.